What if the key to understanding life, disease, and the universe itself lies hidden in something so small you can't even see it? Imagine building machines so small they can travel through your bloodstream, repair tissue, or assemble materials atom by atom. Imagine, too, that every breath you exhale carries invisible chemical clues that can reveal diseases long before symptoms appear. These breakthroughs sound like science fiction, but they're not. Everything in these technologies starts with atoms. But here's the real question. How can something so tiny hold the secrets of matter? And when did humans first begin to understand it? The search to understand what matter is made of began long before modern science, more than 2,000 years ago in ancient Greece. In the 5th century BCE, philosophers Leucippus and Democritus proposed a radical idea. They argued that if you kept dividing a piece of matter eventually, you would reach a point where it could no longer be divided. They called these smallest pieces atomos, meaning indivisible. To them, atoms were invisible particles moving through empty space and combining in countless ways to form all substances. It was an idea conceived not through experimentation, but through logical reasoning and imagination, a philosophical attempt to explain the diversity of the material world, but not everyone agreed. Influential philosophers like Aristotle and Plato rejected the atomic theory. Instead, they believed that everything was made from 4 fundamental elements: earth, air, fire, and water, and that matter could be divided infinitely. Because experimentation wasn't part of Greek philosophy, Aristotle's view dominated for nearly 2,000 years. Can you imagine how different science might have been if Democritus's idea had been accepted? That's a question history will never answer. As the Renaissance dawned in Europe, a new approach to truth emerged: observation and experimentation. Thinkers like Copernicus, Francis Bacon, Robert Boyle, Galileo Galilei, Johannes Kepler, and Isaac Newton challenged the old ways. They asked, what if we tested ideas instead of accepting them?